Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by backing up important files now. Do not delay. Once backed up, record recent changes and exact error messages so you can correlate causes. Boot into safe mode or recovery to prevent third-party interference, and open Event Viewer to capture error ID. Make sure to check Device Manager for yellow icons and note driver versions. These first actions reveal whether the issue is software, driver, or update related, and they set up a safe environment for targeted fixes. Once diagnostics point to system file or driver problems, run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted files. Record output codes so you know success versus failure. If a driver or update matches the timeline, uninstall it, then reinstall the latest vendor driver from the manufacturer. Make a clean boot to isolate startup services and reboot to test. If that narrows it down, perform a system restore to a known good point and verify functionality before proceeding with broader changes. Finish by applying pending Windows and driver updates, then restart and verify the issue is resolved. You should create a concise repair log listing actions, dates, and outcomes. This helps if you need support. If problems persist, export Event Viewer and SFC/DISM logs and prepare bootable install media for an in-place repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms remain after repair install, perform tests on memory and storage hardware. Faulty RAM or disk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.